laging kulang ang budget, tapos ang hirap makahanap ng sariling bahay, kung ganito ka, may solusyon na ako sa'yo. This is the Richdale West Residences sa Panungyanan General Trias, Cavite. A place na perfect para sa pamilya mo, malapit na sa Tagaytay, super accessible at may peaceful surroundings. Dito sa Richdale West, you'll get a 2-story townhouse na may 71.5 square meter lot area at 77.25 square meter na floor area. You get 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and may carport ka pa. Plus, it's a bare finish so you can personalize your space any way you want.
Introducing Richdale West Residence sa Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. A peaceful yet accessible community na perfect for families who want more space and a secure environment. A few minutes away from Tagaytay, malapit sa major roads, schools, hospitals, and malls. Ang convenience nandyan na. Lahat ng kailangan mo accessible pa. Dito sa Richdale West, you get the Linnea model, Carnation model, and Jasmine model. Perfect para sa pamilya na naghahanap ng spacious living space. May provision for 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, at carport. This is more than enough room for your growing family. Best part, it has a bare finish, so pwede mong i-customize ang design ayon sa style mo.
Message us today and start your journey towards home ownership. Once again, this is JC Ryan. Thank you for watching.